The church was collapsing, not from outside enemies, but from within. Corruption, greed, power struggles. Faith was fading. People were losing hope. And then, out of the darkness, a voice rose. Not from a king, not from a pope, but from a humble soul chosen by God. This is the story of the saint who stood when the church was falling apart. The medieval church was powerful, but power had changed it. Some priests sold forgiveness for money. Leaders lived in luxury, while the poor suffered in silence. This was a time of deep corruption, a time when truth was buried under gold. Many saw it, but few dared to speak, because speaking against the church could cost you everything. Then came a young man, Francis of Assisi. Born into wealth, he had everything, but something inside him felt empty. One day, he walked into a broken church and heard a voice. "Francis, rebuild my church." Not the building, the people. So he gave up everything, his wealth, his comfort, his status, and chose poverty. He walked barefoot, preaching love, humility, and truth. While others chased power, Francis chose simplicity. People began to listen because his life matched his words. He didn't just preach, he lived it. He embraced the poor, he served the forgotten. He reminded the world, faith is not about power, it is about love. And slowly, the church began to change. Not through force, but through truth. But his message was dangerous. It challenged corruption. It exposed hypocrisy. Many could have silenced him, punished him, even killed him. But something was different. His purity, his sincerity was undeniable. Even the leaders of the church could not ignore him. Francis didn't destroy the church. He healed it. He reminded people of what it was meant to be, a place of love, a place of humility, a place of truth. His movement spread across the world, and his impact is still felt today. When the church was falling apart, God didn't send an army. He sent a man with nothing. No wealth, no power, only faith. And sometimes, that is enough to change the world. If this story moved you, subscribe to Saintly Chronicles for more powerful stories of faith and history, because some stories are too important to be forgotten.